How to see spam messages on Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can see spam messages in Messenger, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to see spam messages on Messenger, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Messenger app. Now by default, Messenger will only give you the messages that Messenger thinks you know that person. So if they are in your friends list, they will appear on your DMs list. However, if someone who is not in your friends list tries to send you a message, by default that goes to the message request tab, which is also sometimes referred as a spam folder. And if you want to find all of the messages that you have received on Messenger, you have to tap the three lines option located at the top left hand corner of the screen, and then make sure to tap on the gear icon. Make sure to tap on this little message request icon that you can find here, and then tap on it. Now right here you can see you may know. So Messenger will give you a list of people who have sent you a messages. Messenger might think that you may know these people, but if they think that it is a spam account, you can also see the spam tab from the top right hand side, where you should be able to see a list of messages you have received from a specific person. This way you will be able to go ahead and then basically see all of the spam messages on Messenger. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.